All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $191.76 worth of goods. Was all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker at $18.06. And as always, I'm giving you these breakdowns. That total includes the tax. So I'm gonna keep it real here on my channel on those coupon boasts. This is for the week of, let's see, January 19th to January 25th, or January 18th to January 24th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. Today's Thursday, the first day of sale. It's almost Friday. I mean, it's real late night here getting this video to you, but I had to get a busy day, tennis and working, and yeah, but I got the couponing haul in, so Thursday. It's going to be up by Thursday. So, please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals, right off 22 to 25 good deals this week. And some I did yesterday, but you can do them today. It's just the price didn't change, even though a new sale goes from Thursday to Wednesday down south here, and Wednesday to Tuesday if you're out of the state of Florida. So I'm in Trubogo here down in Florida. So get right into this. Dannon Light and Fit yogurt, just a freebie, Publix freebie. It's been around before. It's $1.50. Publix digital coupon takes $1.50 off, makes that completely free. We got a couple freebies, and what I got to tell you, I mean, it's like the death of the paper coupon. I mean, 2023, I think, is the death of the paper coupon. So many Ibotta and the coupons.com and Publix digital coupons. The digital coupons are taking over. So it's the death of the. I mean, I couldn't believe this. This is like the least I've ever used as far as a paper coupon. And I've got, this was 4 transactions, $191 worth of stuff. Next, Little Critters vitamin. No, of course, no paper coupon. It's just regular price for this guy, $6.49. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. There's about a rebate for $3.50 back. Now, my Ibotta rebate came off twice, or it gave me credit for 2 of them. I only bought 1, but I don't know. I think the Ibotta read that DC, Little Critters or whatever, and took it off twice as 2 lines or whatever. But anyways, I'm not going to argue. And then coupons.com, if and but, had $2 back on that. So that was a $4.51 overage moneymaker. And use your overage to buy more groceries, of course. Advil. Did this one before. Whoosh, there we go. Advil. These are, I did an extra savings flyer, which are these green coupons. I did a video about that. I posted it Monday. Today's Thursday, so but you saw that. If you didn't, I got the deals here. Most of them. There's some other ones on there that you could do. These 1 a day in Flintstone. You can get there. But anyways, $4.79 regular price at my store for this guy. $1.50 off from the save. I know it's upside down, but that's the only way you can read it. The save January 1st, and use that store coupon for $2 off from the extra savings book. Also, coupons.com, if and has $1.50 back, made that a 21-cent overage. Excedrin migraine, same kind of thing. $5.99 regular price, $1.50 from the manufacturer coupon. There's also a digital coupon, I believe, for these, but coupons.com, if and or but. You want to try to use a paper coupon if you can. $1.50 for these guys from the save January 1st. $2 from the extra savings. So $5.99 minus $1.50 minus $2. And coupons.com, if and $1.50, so 99 cents for that Excedrin migraine. I was working up something. I did 4 transactions, getting over 40 each time with that Sprouts cookie. I mean, that thing has been. God, I've used so many of these things. But January 22nd. So I January 1st to January 22nd, I've worn that thing out at different Publix. Got my hand on a lot of them, so that helped a lot. Madeira cream, $18.99, $8 from the save January 15th, and $6 back from Ibotta. Made that only $4.99. Not bad. $18.99 to $4.99. Helped me build up to my 40. So that's a good one. Pretty easy one. Quaker Oats, $4.59 right there. I definitely don't have the coupon for this on the table because it's like, man, they make it tough to get these coupons, but I was able to print out 4 of them, and that gave me, let's see, well, let's get to the regular price for these guys. For the Quaker Oats, $4.59 at my store, times 4, $18.36, no tax in the state of Florida on food items, but they're BOGO, so $4.59 times 2, $9.18 for these canisters, 4 canisters. I use 4 of the $1 off. I mentioned that there. I got the link to print that and a detailed breakdown below because I talk fast, or maybe you didn't get it, but detailed breakdown below, as well as a link to print that $1 off. It's a limit of 2, so try to get 2 devices, 2 computers or whatever. Got to sign up. All that's linked below. So you get $1 times 4. You get $1 back times 4. So I got $4 back from that manufacturer printable. $1.25 from ibotta. I believe it's a limit of 5. I redeemed it 4 times, so that was $5. So $9.18 spent for these guys since they're BOGO. $4 from 4 $1 manufacturer printables. 4 $1.25 ibotta rebates made $5, and so total price $9 off of $9.18 is 18 cents for all 4 of these canisters. So there we go. Finished dishwasher. This one helped me so much. Oh man, these things are awesome. $5.99 for these guys at select stores. They're on clearance for $2.99. So let's do the retail price. $5.99. Factor the tax on 5 of them. That's $32.20. However, they are on clearance at most of the stores. Some say clearance, but it's just the regular price. But you know, some of the stores say clearance, and it's $2.99. So this one I had them check, and they said it's $2.99. I said I'm taking them. So $2.99 for 5 of them. Factor the tax is $12.86. There is 2 manufacturer printable. I use 2 manufacturer printable coupons from the coupons.com website. I got the link to print those coupons out. So I use 2 of those. I still have 3 left. Now, Publix digital coupon has 3 different ones on one of my accounts. So I had 3 Publix digital coupons for this finish. $1.50, $1.50, $1.50. That was $4.50 to the good. As well as ibotta has $1.50 back on each one times 5. That was $7.50. Coupons.com or has $1.50. There's 2 of them in there, so I was able to redeem 2 of them. I got $3 more to the good. So for these 4 finish dishwasher cleaners, I got a $5.14 overage, so that helped. And of course, building up. $1.79 for this guy, $1.92 when you factor the tax. There's $1 off from the extra savings. There's a $1 digital coupon. Make that an 8-cent overage at my store. Suja juice. These were a good one here. So no coupon needed here. So this is what I'm talking about. No paper coupons, no manufacturer coupons. These are regular price $3.99. I don't know, people buy them. So 4 of them would cost $15.96. However, the BOGO, so $3.99 times 2 equals $7.98. $1.25 back from ibotta times 4 is $5 back. A Merrifield has 1,000 points for each of them, so that was 4. That was a limit of 4, so that's why I got 4. But $4 to the good, and Merrifield also gives you 5%, so that's about another 85 cents. So for these 4 Suja juices was a $1.87 overage. Centrum Silver adults 50. Somewhere I remarked $9.59. This was $10.29. But I use this manufacturer coupon. There's also manufacturer printable. I can get you a link to print that. January 22nd. Expires a couple days. This one, January 29th. So I took $4 off of that. There's also a store coupon that takes $3 off. It does say 100 count letter, but who's counting, right? That came off. And the magic of a digital coupon. The digital coupon also came off for me. So that was lucky on that. Made it a 71-cent overage right there. Tate's cookies always pick these up. $1.25. It got $1 back from ibotta, so I actually paid 25 cents for these guys this time. Rosarita beans, $1.79. Regular price. Still got that Publix digital coupon for $1 off. Made it only 79 cents. Good to have, you know. Nutpods creamer, $3.59 for these guys. So for 2 of the Nutpods, would cost you $7.18. However, they're BOGO, so you get 2 for $3.59. There is a Publix digital coupon for $1 off, and ibotta gave me 75 cents off of 1. Now, if you're in half BOGO, you can buy 1 and make it a real good deal, because I only got 1 and 1. But I paid for 2, technically, whatever. So let's see what that was. $1.84. So not that good a deal where I am, but such a big overage with these guys. I was getting some variety for you guys here. Laughing Cow, this is a good deal. Kayla coupons with a K put this deal out. I saw this on her channel. So these are good. $4.19. I haven't tried them yet, but they'll be good. $4.19 times 2, $8.38 for these guys, and no sale price. So this is a good one. So you can do this. Well, who knows for how long? But Swag Bucks has 500 Swagbug points, which is equivalent to $5. It's kind of like ibotta and everything. I think you have to reach up to $10 or maybe even $5 to get your money out. But these are 500 points, so it's equivalent to $5 when you buy 2. That bunny pulled that money out of the hat, and I kind of like that. I use the website on my phone. I don't use an app or whatever because there's just too many ads on that thing, or too much bothering me. So I just used the website, went through. Also, checkout 51 is $1.18 back. So 2 redeemed there, made that $2.38. So in total, that was only $1 for both of them. So that was really good. All right, Gogurt. I got 4 of them. There they are, BOGO. They're $3.06. So for 4 of them would cost me $12.24. However, they're BOGO. So I paid $6.12 for 4 of them. There's a Publix digital coupon, $1.50 off of 2. That was $1.50 to the good. Coupons.com has $1.50 off of 2 as well, so there's another $1.50 to the good. Maybe you could buy 2, but I bought 4. Ibotta has 50 cents about a rebate, so that was $2 to the good. And Fetch gave me around 700 Fetch points, so that was around 70 cents to the good, so only 42 cents spent for all these Gogurts. And in my 4 transactions, so this is, a lot. So that came in handy there. All right, Gogurt. Did the Gogurt. Rockstar Energy had done this deal before. Where is it? $1.25 with tax, $1.34. There's a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off. Ibotta has 50 cents back. And there's a Ibotta of like any energy drink, 10 cents, so 26-cent overage for that. Yakult, $3.39. These are selling out of stores, but I was able to find it. $3.39 minus $3.39 free Publix digital coupon. Made that $0. All right, keep it rolling. What do we got? Let's see. Next is the Starry. Same kind of thing. $2.19 with tax comes to $2.35, just regular price. There's Publix digital coupon for a free one. Takes $1.90. Takes $2.19 off. So made that only 9 cents, I believe, something like that. Nature's Bounty Kids Gummies, $5.99 for this guy. Is the regular price. They're on sale this week for 25% off. Man, they've been really pushing these things. So that's $4.49. Manufacturer coupon from the Save January 1st took $2 off. Manufacturer or Ibotta has $2 back on that, so made that only 49 cents. Keep going. Colgate toothpaste. This stuff is always on sale, and it's not that good. $4.59 for that small little toothpaste thing is pretty, I think, small, but $4.59 times 2. Let's give you the retail price of this is with tax $9.87. However, it's BOGO, so you pay $4.93 for both. Coupons.com has $2 back, as well as Publix digital coupon has a $2 Publix digital coupon. Made that only 93 cents for both of those. Helped me build up to my 5. Veggie straws, Garden Veggie straws. These are regular price $4.49, so you pay $8.98 for both of them. However, they're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $4.49. And yeah, so that there is a, here's another printable. Got the link to print this, $2.50 off of 2. So that was $1.99 for both of those. And we will go and end with the worst deal on the table, the Purex crystals. $5.19. They're BOGO. So for 2 of them with the tax, $11.16. However, as I mentioned, they're BOGO. So $5.19 with tax is $5.58. There's $1.25 back on 2 Ibottas, but these work pretty good. You're gonna wash something. I use it for like a comforter that I'm not gonna wash that often, so or clothes I'm gonna put away for a little while. So $1.25 for Ibotta, and let's see, I used 2 of them, so $2.50. Made that only $3.08. I broke this up into 4 trends. One time I was at $40. She's like, "How'd you do that?" I'm like, "I just factored the tax." So 5 off 4 times, that was $20 to good. I reached my Ibotta midweek bonus, so that was good as well. So once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy. Help me out. Hit the like button. Share my channel. Everybody enjoy their coupon. What was it? 100, almost at $200 and worth of goods, and about over $18 worth of a moneymaker.